Today, I'll show you how to add a Santa Claus hat to your video for a fun and festive holiday effect. Let's jump right in. First, import your video into the timeline. Now, go to the effects panel and head over to body effects. In the search bar, type Santa hat and you'll see the effect appear. Simply drag and drop it onto your clip and it will automatically track the head position. To make adjustments, open the right side editing panel where you'll find rotate, adjusts the angle of the hat to match the head movement, size, changes the hat size for a perfect fit, vertical, moves the hat up or down to position it correctly. Tweak these settings until the hat looks just right. And that's it. You've successfully added a Santa Claus hat in CapCut. Use this effect to create fun Christmas videos or holiday greetings. If this tutorial helped, hit like and subscribe for more fun CapCut tutorials.